Look, your lawyer can't help you in a child support case. And it's not because it's like they bad at their job or anything, but literally, they're not allowed to argue the only thing that beats child support. All right, let me explain what I'm talking about. They told you a lawyer was the answer. They told you, just get an attorney, they'll fix it. But nobody told you the truth. Lawyers argue inside the system. Child support is beaten by attacking the whole system itself. Child support cases are won or lost based on procedure. I'm talking about service of process, jurisdiction, challenging due process, the right to be heard, the validity of the order itself. It's not from arguments. It's not emotions. It's not, oh, well, my baby mother, she ain't been taking the money. And it's none of those things. It's procedure. See, I beat child support twice. I didn't have a lawyer. In fact, I didn't even know that much about the law. But I did know a couple of things, and that's what allowed me to get through. I beat it because I learned the rules that they hope fathers will never find out. And I've helped nearly 200 people terminate their child support case by doing the same thing. And every single time, the W came from procedure. It was never through a lawyer. Here's what they'll never tell you. See, a lawyer can never argue lack of jurisdiction because they're the ones who end up filing the appearance. A lawyer can't challenge service if they accepted the case for you. And a lawyer can't attack the order as void if they're operating under it. The moment they step in, the angle that actually wins is gone. See, most fathers lose because they're fighting the wrong fight. The system knows that you're emotional. They know that you're going to put all your trust into a lawyer. The system know that you're not going to read your paperwork. They even know that you never even checked whether or not service was done accurately. The system knows that you don't understand due process. But once you do, everything changes. Start with this. You want to ask for a copy of the proof of service. It should be in your case file. It's one page. It's going to have one timestamp and one signature. If the paperwork is wrong or missing, your entire order is considered void. And that's where we start to actually turn the case around. Yo, and in episode 2, I'm going to explain exactly why if they're missing or there was a defective service in your case, your whole thing is considered legally dead, even if you've been paying on it for years. So go ahead and save this particular episode because episode 2 drops next. And this is the one that they don't want fathers to hear.